Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. This is an update on my 1979 Honda CB750K barn find. And I've had the bike for about a week now, and I have the carburetors removed. They have been cleaned, and I am just waiting on a couple of parts. But I wanted to give you an update on where I'm at with the project currently. I have cleaned the front wheel, and it cleaned up pretty nice. The front fender also came out pretty nice. So I'm going to leave those for now. I have started some of the cosmetics, started polishing here and there, touching up the chrome a little bit, working on that. I went to a swap meet this weekend and just found this little IMGO cafe fairing. Decided to just throw that on for kicks. I know that when I'm going to be riding it, at least initially, it's going to be cold, so any little bit of wind protection is going to be welcome. I have changed the oil and filter in the bike. Yesterday, I cleaned out the brake reservoir up front here. I also lubricated this joint and sprayed a little WD-40 in on the piston there, up underneath the rubber boot. I also bled out the brake system and rebuilt the front caliper here. Just pulled everything apart, lubricated the pistons where the brake pads can slide back and forth, and the actual caliper itself slides back and forth, and lubricated everything there. Got that all taken care of, so that functions as it should. The rear brake is a mechanical brake. It's the drum brake, and so it's functioning as it should. There's really not a whole lot of servicing to do on that. I also drained the gas tank, and after I did, I actually pulled this petcock off. The petcock is functioning like it should, but I inspected the filter, I inspected everything there, and it honestly looks great. I could not find a speck of rust that came out of the gas tank, so the tank is really clean inside, and there was no residue, no grossness at all on the filter or inside the fuel petcock. So I'm super stoked about that. That means the chances of it running well are much higher. And like I say, I cleaned off. There were several inspection stickers, one of them on here, one of them on the front fork. Cleaned those off, and I have repainted my license plate bracket. It's drying currently, but just wanted to give you an update, let you see how the project is coming along. I am really excited to start the bike up, see how it runs. I haven't run it yet, and I did, while I was, it had the airbox off, I just reinstalled the airbox, but I replaced this boot. So this is a brand new boot, and so everything else looks good. There were no other torn boots. So we'll see. If I can't get the other ones to seal right or whatever, I can replace them with new. But right now, this was the only one that was messed up a little bit. So got that replaced, and she is coming along. So I'll keep you updated on this project, and it's just fun. It's a fun project, and like I say, I will let you guys hear when I start it up for the first time, and hopefully all goes well with that. All right, take care. Enjoy your day.